Hi, Julian here from the SERP.net team. In this video, I'm going to do a quick demo of SEO Prospector, which is part of Advanced Prospector that's included in the SERP Agency add-on. As you may already know, with Advanced Prospector, you can find sites that are not mobile friendly, that are not on HTTPS, that are too slow, or that don't use the AMP format. You can also find local businesses that are not listed in Google's Map Pack, so you can get in touch with their respective owners and offer them your services, including your SEO services, of course. So SEO Prospector is a new option here, which allows you to find websites that are not in Google's top 3 results and send their respective owners an email to let them know how you can help them rank higher. Let's do a search. Here, you simply need to enter a keyword, any keyword. Then you must select a search engine, google.com for example. You can even choose a language. SEO Prospector is currently available in English and German. Then click on Scan Results. The search is going to take a few minutes, so now is a good time to grab a coffee. Alright, we're back. Here are the results. So no need to contact the first 3 sites, as they are already in Google's top 3 organic results. However, most other sites should be interested in ranking higher in organic results for this keyword, and this is where you come in. In short, SEO Prospector scan Google's top 100 results and search for contact details. As you can see, the tool found some contact details using the Whois database. If you click here, you can see their position for a few related keywords. Here you simply need to select the sites worth contacting. Then click on email/download prospects. You can choose a company profile, so your logo and contact details are displayed at the top of the report prospects will receive. You can write a short introduction, which will be displayed at the beginning of the report. Make sure there is an email address for each site. Please note that these private email addresses work. If you send an email to this email address, the site owner will receive it. If the email address is not provided by our system, we invite you to visit the website or Facebook page of the business in question. On a lot of occasions, you will be able to find an email address you can use. If you don't want to spend any time looking for missing email addresses, you can use our Hunter.io integration. All you need to do is to add your Hunter.io to your SERP.net profile. Once this is done, if SEO Prospector can't find a prospect's email address in the Whois database, it will send a request to Hunter.io, which should be able to find it for you. You can write a summary here, which will be displayed at the end of the report. As you can see, you also have the option to export this data as a CSV file. Then click on Next Step. In this step, you must write the email that will be sent to the site owners you selected. We provided you with an email template and some short codes that you can use. You can modify this email, of course, or write your own email and then save it as a template. This is completely up to you. You have the option to preview the email, of course. Please note that before you can send emails from our system, you must add your SMTP details to your SERP.net profile. To do so, go to My Profile and click on the Integrations tab. You can use SendGrid, Mailgun, or any other SMTP provider. If you don't want to use an SMTP provider, no problem. Simply use the CSV export function we just saw to email these businesses the way you want, using Gmail, Outlook, or any other email service provider. If everything is fine, click on Send Email. Then simply wait for your email notifications to start pinging or your phone to ring. Not everyone will get back to you, of course, but even if only 3 or 4 sites owners get back to you out of 100, it's still 3 or 4 leads, right? For just a few minutes of work. Last but not least, you can access your email history here to see who you contacted exactly, what emails are received, and so on, to keep track of everything and make sure you are not missing any important information. Alright, I hope you found this video useful. If you have any questions or feedback, don't hesitate to get in touch with our friendly support team by clicking here and on Submit a Ticket.